All right, so you're here to compete in Wii tennis. You're dressed as
Mario.
Mario.
Yeah, I don't have Luigi. We were walking here and some, Goombas ambushed him. I never saw it coming.
Fucking Goombas. All right, Anna, what can you tell us about the game you just finished up?
It was tough. Yeah, the serve is key, and I have not yet mastered the serve.
Well, the two of us are part of the Wii Tang clan. I'm old rusty bastard, he's the Grizza.
This guy kicked my ass.
I am in the final 8 right now. I am sweating balls, and I am pumped.
My name is Chris Mikowski, alias Mark Paul Gosseler. I'm on Team Bayside Tigers. My first match went real well. I beat Harry Potter, beat the shit out of him. Can I say that? I beat the fuck out of him. And his magic did not hold up.
My name is Katie Danger.
Katie Danger, is that your player name or your real name?
That's my real name.
That's your real name?
I had it changed. Because I'm kind of an internet celebrity.
Are you?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching us here at Geekanerd.blogspot.com.
Thanks to Pop Culture Shock for hosting the segment.
And I'd like to give a shout out to Infendo.com, everybody there watching. Thanks for tuning in.
Later.